Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. Dear students, in this class, let us discuss about second topic from the chapter Arithmetic Progression, that is nth term of an AP. Very important topic. Every year there will be problems on this topic. Now let us move on to the today's class, children. Nth term of an AP. Here, first we have to learn the nth term finding formula. So how we gonna to get that formula? First I am explaining that. See, you all know that the first term, that is A1, we can write like A, and second term A2 we can write like A plus D. Similarly, third term we can write as A plus 2D. Fourth term we can write as A plus 3D. Now, how can we write nth term? It means fourth term means easily you can write like A plus 3D. 50th term means you can write it as A plus 49D. In case you are going to find the nth term, in the place of number, now we are taking a variable. In that case, how we gonna to write nth term? So for that, just observe here. A we have got like this. A is as it is, and 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So 0 into D is nothing but 0 only. So A plus 0 is nothing but A. Similarly, first term you write it as it is. So second term. So in second term we are subtracting 1. Hence we get 1D. It means A plus D. Similarly, now guess yourself, children. For third term we have got here 2D. How we would have got this? That is, first term write as it is. And this is the third term. In the third term we are subtracting 1, hence we have got 2D. I mean here. It means A plus 2D we have got. Similarly, here 3D we have got when we subtracted 1 from 4, just like this. A plus 4 minus 1 into D. So why I am going to explain this is, see, to get first term, we have subtracted 1 from 1. To get here 1D, we have subtracted 1 from 2. So to get 2D, we have subtracted 1 from 3. To get 3D, we subtracted 1 from 4. Similarly, to find nth term, in n, you have to subtract 1. So first term write it as it is, and D let it be as it is. So thus, an is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Look at here. In this, A term we have written as it is. It means first term is not changing. So A we have written as it is. And here, in the first term place, we have subtracted 1 from 1. In second number, 1 subtracted from 2. In third term, we subtracted 1 from 3. In fourth term, we subtracted 1 from 4. In nth term, you have to subtract 1 from n, and D will be as it is. In this way, we have got this formula, and this formula is very, very important. So learn well and see how to read this. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Very important. Next, let us see that what each term says in this formula, where an is nth term. It means last term. A is first term. This already you learnt. And n is number of terms. And D is, you know that is common difference. Next, we have a note here. And here also I am telling you one formula, children. So very important. Formula used to find a term from last in an AP, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. So this formula helps for you when you are going to find a term in AP from last. We have some other methods also to find a term from last in the given AP. But if you use this formula, children, I mean L minus n minus 1 into D, in few steps you will get the answer. So nothing to worry when a term asked to find from last of the AP. We have a formula, or else we have some other methods also that I'll explain later on. So here L means last term, children. So remaining all terms you will be knowing it. So n means number of terms and D means common difference. So we have two formulas, children. One is the main formula, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D, and another one is this formula, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. Now directly let us move on to the exercise 1.2, children. So first main, fill in the blanks in the following table, given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and an is the nth term of AP. It means here they have given a table. Observe the table properly, children, and understand well here. See, this is the first problem. So here A value is 7 because it is in the column of A, and D value is 3, and n value is 8. We need to find an. So similarly we have to find other things, children. So first let us solve the first problem, children. See, first what are all the things they have given? Let us group that. A is given, that is 7. Next D is given, that is 3. N is given, 8, and an we have to find the question mark. Now you decide all these terms, I mean A, D, N and an, all these 4 terms present in which formula? So that formula we have to select, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. Now substitute all these values in this formula, children. So A value is how much? 7. Hence in the place of A write 7. And D value is how much, children? 3. So in the place of D write 3, and n value is 8, and in the place of n we have written 8. Now in this, which one you will solve first? According to BODMAS rule, inside the bracket what is present, that we have to solve. Now 8 minus 1 is 7. Now this 7 multiplied to 3, 7 3 is a 21, and the 7 you write as it is, children. Now add 7 plus 21 is 28. So 28 is the an value, means 8th term in this AP will be 28. You have to understand like that. Next let us move on to the second problem. So here A value is minus 18, N value is 10, an value is 0, and D value we have to find. Now all these terms are present in an formula only, hence let us consider that formula, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into D. Now let us substitute all these values in this formula, children. See, an value is 0, a value is minus 18, n value is 10, and D value we have to find, hence D let it be as it is. Now as I said earlier, inside the bracket what is there, that we have to simplify. So here 10 minus 1 is there, so it gives 9D. So here we get 9, and this 9 multiplied to D, we get 9D. And this minus 18 transferred to this side, we get plus 18. I mean this 18 equals to 9D. Now you tell me, children, 9D means it is 9 plus D or 9 into D? So 9 times of D here. Hence 9 into D. When multiplication 9 is transferred this side, it becomes to denominator, just like this. So now 9 and 18 we can cancel up. So 9 ones are and 9 twos are. Therefore D value is how much? That is 2. Next, let us move on to another problem, children. Third one. So here D value is minus 3 and N value is 18. AN is minus 5. We need to find A value. Again, all these terms we can be seen in only one formula, that is nth term finding formula. So that is AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute all values what they have given, children. See, AN value is minus 5, I substituted in the place of AN. And A value we have to find, hence let it be A as it is. And N value is 18, put in the place of N 18. And in the place of D, put minus 3. And be careful, children, here. D value is in negative form. Hence, when you are writing here, better you must write in bracket. Otherwise, you will be in confusion. If you write only as minus 3, you will transfer this minus 3 to the left side. See how we read this formula, A plus N minus 1 into D. So what are all the values you will be substituting in the place of D, that you should feel it in, you have to feel that it is in multiplication form. That is the thing. Now let us simplify this one, children. As we said earlier, let us simplify this one. 18 minus 1 is 17. So remaining all, write it as it is. Now multiply this one, children. 17 into minus 3. So plus into minus is minus. 17 3s are 51. It means minus 51 we will get. Now this minus 51 transferred to the left side, it will become plus 51. Now here minus 5 and plus 51 there. Both the numbers having different sign. When both are in different sign, we have to subtract smaller number from greater number. Here smaller number is 5. 5 subtract from 51, we will get 46. And which is a greater number here? 51. In front of 51, which sign is that? That is plus. So your answer will be plus 46. So A value is plus 46. Next, let us move on to another one, children. Fourth problem. A is minus 18.9. D is 2.5. N is question mark. And AN is 3.6. Now, as I said earlier, all these values we can be seen in only one formula, that is nth term. So nth term formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now let us substitute all these values, children. See, AN values how much? That is 3.6. Hence put 3.6 here. What is the value of A? That is here minus 18.9. And N we have to find. Hence N let it be as it is. And D value is how much? That is 2.5. Hence 2.5, write it here. And here I wanted to tell you one thing, children. See, whenever you are going to find the value of N, the method what I am explaining now, so just follow that. So that will be easy compared to other methods. See, usually what children will do here is, here 2.5 is there, means here. This 2.5 they'll multiply to N and they'll get 2.5 N. And again 2.5 they'll multiply to minus 1, they'll get it minus 2.5. And then they'll go for the simplification. So I recommend don't do that method. So the method what I'm explaining, go through that. See here minus 18.9 first transfer to this side. So it will become plus 18.9. Now solve these two, children. 3.6 plus 18.9. And you all are very familiar with addition of decimals. Write down the numbers one below one according to decimal point and add. So you will get that 22.5. Next, what you have to do is here, see, this is 2.5, means into 2.5. This now transferred to the left side. As you transfer 2.5, I mean multiplication 2.5 to the left side, it will become to the denominator. Now understand carefully, children. See, in numerator, I mean here 22.5, how many digit backside there is a point? So here 5 backside there is a point, means 1 digit backside. And in denominator also 1 digit backside there is a point. So the thing what I am going to tell you is that is very important. When in numerator there is a point as same number of digits in the denominator. It means in numerator also 1 digit backside there is a point, and in denominator also 1 digit backside there is a point. In that case, directly we can remove these decimal point. Now 2.5 has become 25 and 22.5 will become 225. That is the thing you wanted to understand. Now let us simplify this. 25 ones are, and 25, how much is 225? That is 9s. So we get that 9 equals to n minus 1. Now this minus 1 you transfer this side, children, we get it plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is how much? That is 10. So here n value is 10. It means in this AP, 10th term will be 3.6. You have to understand like that. Next, let us move on to the last problem of first main, children. A value is 3.5, D value is 0, and N value is 105, and AN value is question mark. See, before going to solve this problem, I wanted to convey you one very important thing. See here, D value is 0. Whenever D value is 0, children, all terms in an AP will be 3.5 itself. First term also 3.5, second term, third term, 50th term, 100th term. See here they are asking 105. So 105th term also will be 3.5 itself, because D value is 0. Anyhow, you check it by using the formula. Take the formula, substitute the values here, and look at here. We have 105 minus 1. So 105 minus 1 is how much? That is 104. Now 104 multiply to 0. 104 into 0 is nothing but 0 only. Now 3.5 add to 0, we get 3.5 only. See, AN is equals to 3.5. It means 105th term also 3.5 only. Not only the 105th term, children, any term in this AP you take, that will be 3.5 itself, because here the value of D is 0. Hence, AN equals to 3.5. Dear students, I hope you have understood these problems, and very important thing is, don't forget the nth term finding formula, that is AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D, and I have given one additional formula that we use to find a term from the last of the AP, that is L minus N minus 1 into D. So keep these two formulas in the mind, children. In the next class we come up with another problems. I hope you understood. Thank you.